Okay, is this recording? Yeah. Check this out. Look at all these bird feeders here. If you count them, I got 12. Easy. Right here, here. That red one is for the hummingbirds. And over here, this is the new one for today. They got all kinds of stuff. And that's the suet. These two are the socks. It has certain seeds that the finches come. And this one got worms in it and all kinds of stuff. Worms, nuts. You might even see these damn worms. I don't know. Maybe. But they like it. But talk about a bird place, huh? And that's nothing. That's another one. Right here. This is the blue house. The blue bird house. And you can see all the seeds in there. That's the windows. You know? It's a cool house, right? And there's the other window. You know? But hey, they like it. You know? See all the seeds and stuff and nuts in there? Really wild, you know? And hey, these peas survived 2 snowstorms. Not storms, but it melted. And the lettuce is doing good there. And the farm is still here, as you can see. Doing well. You know? Absolutely doing good. I think that's a carrot. Because there's no way that's a cabbage. Impossible. I didn't put no cabbage there. Get out of here with that. But they're still going strong. But not for long. And over there too. They're doing well. And these blackberries, these were from seeds. You know? I planted them. And they're growing. And the raspberries too. Peas are still there. Looking good. What the heck is that? What in the world is that? Oh, the eggshells. Huh, I must have forgot these. They're supposed to go in here. I put all this stuff in here so next year it helps the soil, you know? God willing, there will be a next year at all. But I got all the string beans off, except for a couple here. You guys, yeah, you guys are coming home right now. You're all dried up. You see? See how they're all dried up? Anyway, I'll get used later. It's a few more. But it's a cool birdhouse, eh? Yeah, Danny boy. Patrick's living in the Birdman from Alcatraz. The Birdman from Pennsylvania, right? Haha. Yeah, pretty cool. I like this, man. These freaking birds eat better than I do. I'm not kidding you. And they eat like freaking animals. Alright? No sooner. But you know what? This wood one, they don't touch it. They don't go near it. And I don't know why. Maybe it's too little here. And they can't get to it. But the little finches could. You know? Look at all that good stuff in there. That's 3 different types of bird seeds in there. In all of them. You know? But it's really cool. And the 2 socks. But they come. You wouldn't believe. Gold ones, green ones. Oh, damn. Look. Effing chemtrails. They even come in here all Can you see that? I don't see it on here. Where is that bastard? There he is. They've been coming all day. You see all this up there? Not one of them is a cloud. Down there, those ain't clouds. I watched them do it. It's all fake. Every damn thing you see up in the sky is all fake. And you see how it turns pinkish? That's how you could tell. They turn pinkish during sunset, you know? Now that will spread out and look like that. That's how messed up this is. People, you better start learning, because when the 5G comes, forget it. It's gonna make everybody sick. That's where I keep my wood for my fire. It's a bit low right now. But I got another big thing of wood in there. And that's about it, everyone. But I'm just telling you, this is outrageous what they're doing. Look at that. Those bastards and their chemtrails. See how it turns pink? That's the strontium, barium, and what's that other thing? That heavy metal. Strontium, barium, and aluminum. And aluminum works perfect with 5G. You know? Works perfect with 5G. See, there's a bird down there in the blue house. And Woody Woodpecker comes every day. It's really cool. But that's all, folks. That's all.